What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on our channel, and today I will be unboxing the Google Home Mini in the chalk colour. And here it is guys, I'm just unboxing, and basically this version of the Google Home Mini is just a cheaper and smaller version of the original Google Home, which is an alternative to the Amazon Echo and Amazon Echo Dot. So here it is guys, I'm just unboxing it. It's a very simple and easy unboxing. All you have to do is tear the cardboard, which is very efficient to unbox, and as I open it you can see there is the Google Home Mini straight on front as you open the box, and you can just, all you do is take it out here, and on the back you can see there's the orange rubber so it can stay in one place without moving, and there is this little hand grip so you can take it out easily and view all the paper documentation which is here. There's three main documents. All it is let's get started and get to know your Google Home Mini and be safe, which all of them are basically know how to use it and how to use it safely. Here is the included power adapter, which is a micro USB by Google. It is hardwired into the plug as you can see there, so you can use another one, but this is the recommended one that it comes with, so you can't use it with anything different to power adapter. And as you can see there is nothing else in the box, very simple box. And as you can see in the picture now, I have got it installed where I have in the hallway. So as you can see, it's plugged in. It hasn't got a aux in cable. It's just got the micro USB cable, and I think I am trying to be pleasing to. Here I am using the volume controls. You can either do it by voice command or by the touch controls on either side. Also, here is the app that you get, this Google Home app, so you can click on it. It recommends what you say, like the weather and what apps to download, and as you can download also the Google Assistant app, so you can see what else you can talk to it about, like other things like what to do on your Chromecast, because I got this on a bundle in Curry's PC World for £40 with Google Home Mini and Chromecast, which is a very cheap price. Thanks for watching this video guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I did a unboxing of the Google Home Mini. Please stick around as I will do a review on this soon. So thanks for watching this video guys, I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.